In this tutorial of YetAdapter, we will cover the use of custom chips. Using this data file, we have already attached an actor, verb, and object to our XAPI palette. When we look at our preview in step 3, we get errors. Our actor mbox is not valid. While an email was included in the data, it did not have the necessary mail to prefix. We could return to our CSV and manually fix this in every entry, or we could use custom chips. Let's go back to step 2 and transform our data. Scroll to the bottom and look under the Advanced tab. Custom data allows us to define static chips that will apply to every statement. Let's add a custom chip for our email prefix. And we will define it with text mail to : Simply drag this chip onto the palette before the actor email. Now let's look back at step 3. All of our statements are now valid as the mail to has been prepended to our inbox. For more information about YetAdapter, please refer to our documentation and other video tutorials.